Okay, so this could be a question, meaning you're probably doing a lead form that violates the, like the rules and terms that you are not supposed to ask certain questions. Okay, so the ad account is restricted. All right, so your question is whether is there a way to get your ad account back, or do you need to actually do a whole new one, and blah blah blah. Okay, now first thing first, when it comes to ad account restriction, there are many ways. Okay, restriction as in account restriction has got different types. The easiest to solve problem is the ad account restriction. Okay, meaning you only have the ad account restricted, but your personal profile and your business manager are all intact. So it's just the ad account restricted. So with that, if that's the case, you can always create a new ad account to start running. So you can actually investigate whether you have the ability to create a new ad account or not. If you do have, then you can actually do that. Otherwise, well, you can try to create a personal ad account to see whether you still have the access. So then you'll be able to find out whether your personal profile is being restricted or not. So the worst case is like when your personal profile is restricted. Otherwise, you can always create new ad account and start running ads in no time. Just make sure do not make the same mistakes again in the future. Now, if you have a personal profile restricted from advertising, as in permanent restriction, the only workaround you have here is to create a new business manager, new page, new ad account with somebody else's profile. Meaning that profile has to be age, as in like has to be at least on Facebook for a few years. And it doesn't have to be active per se, but it has to be a few years, and it has the real name. Because when you're trying to create a business manager and everything, there will be a point where you might very highly possibly get restricted, and all Facebook wants to do is just to make sure that you're a real person. Just submit your ID, everything will be okay. So if you go that route, make sure you create a new Facebook profile for yourself. Yeah, so that's what we do. And eventually brew it for a couple of months, and at the same time grow the page, grow the ad account. When the time is right, move yourself back into the new business manager as admin to take it over. Then you can return the profile to your friend, to your whoever. So that's usually the best way we go about. But I think for your situation, the first thing you need to find out is whether your personal profile is being restricted or what kind of restriction you have. So follow those steps and kind of like navigate and try to find out. Otherwise, just follow the recommendation. Now, just in case you want me to look at your situation, because to be frank, the best way to tell is to really navigate the whole thing together. And I'll be able to tell you that, look, you're at this stage and this is what you do. But yeah, you can navigate all yourself. But if you need help, you want me to come in and do this with you, you can scan this QR code. That will take you to my Fiverr gig where you can buy me a dinner, and you'll be able to schedule a 30-minute Zoom call with me where we can actually go through the whole things together via screen sharing, and I'll be able to just tell you what will be the next best thing to do to get back into advertising again. So yeah, that's what you want. Scan this QR code, and I look forward to work with you.